Hey guys, welcome back to stm32 coding for everyone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly configure your stm32 microcontroller or your nuclear board to be able to handle an external interrupt. So, well, what is an external interrupt, or what is an interrupt? Like right now, I'm speaking to you, I'm recording this tutorial. My son or my daughter might decide to walk into the room, and that will be an interruption. Now I will have to find a way to handle that interrupt without losing the focus to what I'm doing. So I will make a hand gesture signaling that my son or my daughter must move back outside without disrupting what I'm doing. And once that's done, I will then return to what I'm doing. That basically means I've handled that interrupt and I've returned to the process. Now you've got the information that's basically telling you that the external interrupt here is basically attached to most of your pins on your microcontroller. So now you know that your button is on pin 13, so you basically need to enable that PC 13 to basically handle the external interrupt. So we're going to come here and we can see PC 13 is here. So I'm going to click on it and then we're going to enable GPIO external TI 13, right? So I'm going to click on it. Okay, then it is now enabled. Okay, so now all you have to do now is here basically is give it a user-friendly name, right? A user-friendly name. You can basically call it button interrupt. So BTN interrupt. So this is your button interrupt. Okay, so that's a user-friendly name. Now the next thing is your LEDs. So we know that our LEDs on this particular nuclear board, the LED is attached on PA5. Okay, so we're gonna take PA5 here